Well, some excitement today. I ordered some yarn off of Amazon from their haul section. I've been hearing about this for some time from people saying, oh, you know, have you got anything on from your Amazon haul? And so I figured I'd go and have a look and see just what this was about. And I looked up the yarn, of course, and I saw some very cheap yarn. I thought, well, I don't know what it's like. I could be buying anything, but it might be worth giving it a go. So I dove in and selected some yarn and it arrived. And when it did, it was in these tiny weeny little packages. And I'm thinking to myself, oh, gee whiz, I wouldn't like the job of having to package these up. If it's done by a person, maybe it's not, maybe they use a machine, but this is jammed in there so tight. And I'm thinking, am I going to be able to get this out of these packagings without cutting the yarn and into tiny wee little pieces? But I'm going to give it a go. So cross your fingers and we'll see what happens. I might lose my fingers the rate I'm going. Don't recommend using scissors in this fashion, but well, you know, I like to live dangerously. No, it's not a happening thing. Hang on, I've got a lip there I can get under. Yep. No. Oh, I think I have penetration. Ooh. Ooh. Look at this. Popping out. Oh. Oh. Come on out, little one. Well, I'm ripping the label a bit, but oh well. And there it is. Wow. Got a few more of these to unpackage and then I'll show you all of it. And the family will be saying, how did you cut your finger off? Well, there was this ball of yarn and it was trying to best me and I wasn't going to let it, although maybe I am the rate this is going. Try the scissors this way. Oh, that's better. Come on, come out. This one's being stubborn. Oh, there it is. Ah, gotcha. Number 2. I'll do a few more and get back to you. Right, so I've been busy and I've done the rest. And now I have all of these little darling balls of yarn. Look at that. I can see a project coming along, maybe a shawl or something out of these. Maybe I might pair it with a neutral other yarn. Yeah, well, I'm quite happy with my purchase. And unpacking, it wasn't as bad as I thought. So maybe give Amazon haul a go. Who knows what you might end up with.